See, these are the syntaxes for CSS selector. If an element is having ID attribute, this is the syntax. Tag name, hash, ID value. Then next, if there is a class attribute, then tag name dot class value. In some conditions for class value, there might be a safe spaces. In such cases, it will not work. If you write directly tag name dot class value, what we need to do means in place of spaces, you need to replace with dot. Then the syntax will work. The next, CSS with any attributes. That means tag name, square bracket, attribute name is equal to within single quote or double quote, you need to pass that attribute value. Then CSS with multiple attributes. Same, but you need to add another attribute name and attribute value. That is tag name, square bracket, attribute name is equal to attribute value. Then next, attribute name is equal to attribute value. This is the syntax. Then next, CSS with header tags. See, directly you can use header tag, whether it is, see, header tags are H1 to H6. If you just inspect, just do Control F, and if you do H2, if it matching only one elements, then you can use this. Or else if it is matching multiple elements, you should not go with the header tags. You should use some other CSS locators. Then how to handle dynamically changing elements using CSS? Means you can use starts with, ends with, contains. Starts with means you need to use caret symbol. Ends with means dollar symbol. Contains means star symbol. These are the simple CSS locators. How to identify, how to do the object identification using CSS. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Then next. What is meant by xpath? See, it provides an unique address for finding the web elements. XPath stands for XML Path Language, which is a query language. XPath helps in finding the direction of the element through nodes. See, if you observe, till now we have written the object identification for the elements by using like a single directly that object identification. See, I have used only this input and its attributes. Right? Input that attributes, input that, I mean, for CSS also I have used the tag name. For the tag name, what are the attributes? I have used only those things. But coming to XPath, you need to go little bit up like this. I'll explain you in the practical way also, okay? See. XPath helps in finding direction of the element through nodes or tags. That means while finding the object identification for any element, you need to navigate to top. That means parent to child you can move from, or child to parent you need to move. XPath is one of the locators available in Selenium WebDriver. It is very powerful and best alternative locator option. When you are not able to locate the web elements using other locators, then you can go with the XPath. There are two types in XPath. One is absolute XPath, another one is relative XPath. Absolute XPath means we will use one forward slash. And another important thing is with this absolute XPath, we need to include all the tags from HTML tag to till your target tag. Every tag, you should not miss even a single tag also. That is absolute XPath, including all the tags from root tag to the till target tag. This is how, for example, from HTML to till target tag, you need to mention everything. And you need to separate the tags by single forward slash. Then next, relative XPath means shortest distance to the target element. That means you can miss You can use double forward slash or single slash in this relative XPath. This is the syntax. Double forward slash. See, these are all the syntaxes. You'll remember if you practice thoroughly. Then only you can identify all these. Okay? You need to give the object
Yeah.
identification of that element. I mean, the input tag, the tag name, then at the rate, attribute name is equal to attribute value, slash tag name 1, tag name 2, target tag. See, we should not go with absolute XPath. Why? If the developer adds or removes any tag in between root tag and target tag, then the element identification will fail. That is the reason we should not use absolute XPath. We should write relative XPath with double forward slash or single forward slash. Okay, then next. See, this is how we can write Facebook site links. These are the syntaxes. Let me explain you one by one. Mhm. Let me use automation exercise. Let me use this application. Upload source. See, in this table, I want to identify this Amit. I want to write the object identification for this Amit. How I need to write? Okay, this is the one. Just do Control F. First, I cannot write directly TD Amit. What we can do? In this situation, for these situations, we can go with XPath. See, just go little bit top. See, now when I mouse over on this TR node, now it is highlighting the entire row. Now let go one more, T body. Now it is highlighting entire table. Then next, table. Now let me use this Control plus C. Double forward slash is mandatory for XPath. Table is equal, sorry, table square bracket at the rate you need to use. At the rate, name. What is the attribute name? Then attribute value. Then square bracket. See, it is matching one of one. But my intention is I want to identify this Amit. Amit. Now, we need to use a forward slash. After table, what is the tag? T body. Just write T body. Then next, after T body, I want first tier or second tier? First tier means these are all the column names. But I want
Yeah.
Amit.
Second tier.
Second tier.
Second tier.
Slash tr of 2. Just give the index also. See, now it is see whether it is highlighting. Learn Selena first, exactly. Then see, now it is highlighting the entire row. In this entire row, I want the second column. Second column means slash td. Which td I need to give, first td or second td? See, when I
First
write,
TD, first one, first one.
see, first one means it will highlight learn selenium. Second means Amit.
Okay.
See,
Index is
based
second.
on the
Okay.
indexes, I have navigated through to Amit. This is how we need to write the XPath. Okay, now let me show you for another also. Mm. No. Examples. Stability. H1. See, in this case, I have directly used the header tag, that is H1. How many elements is, it is matching? It is matching one of two. That means two elements are matching. Now, what we need to do is just mouse over on this header. Just go one step top. That means we are navigating from one node to another node for to make the object identification for that element unique. See now, I'll use this div. Okay, div ID content. Control plus C. What is the tag name? For XPath, first of all, you need to mention // div square bracket @ ID is equal to single quote or double quotes ID value. Then tag name you need to mention H1. See, now how many elements it is matching with this object identification? See, it is matching one of one element. Clear how to use, how to work with the XPath?
Yeah.
Then next, see, keep on practice, practice, practice. By practice only you can achieve, you can write all the CSS and XPaths. Wait, now, yeah, this is the one. See, now here I want to identify account link. How to identify? See, account here. See, when I mouse over on this LI, it is matching only account. Then LI. How to write the XPath? See, it is there is no attributes for this A tag. There is only text. I should now here scenario is I should not use the text. Without using text, I need to write the unique XPath or CSS for this account link. How to write? First of all, you need to write it for UL. Control plus C. // UL class class equal to control V. See, it is matching one of one /li. How many elements now it is matching?
Three elements are matching.
Okay, three elements matching. Now, three elements are matching. Now, which one do you want to identify, register or account? Anything is fine. Now, I want to identify this account. You need to mention index. If you give 1, it will identify that home icon. 2, it is highlighting account. If you give 3, it is highlighting register. That means based on the indexes, it is identifying. Okay. Inside this li, there is an a attribute /a. See, now it is highlighting exactly that register account. This is the syntax. This is the xpath for this register. Then next. Yeah, same like based on the indexes on most of the cases we will go with xpath because there will be a multiple elements with the same xpath. To differentiate means we need to use the indexes. See, these are all the links. In these links, I want to identify these tablets. How to identify? Just see. Same li. See, for the first li, desktop is highlighting. For the second li, laptops and notebooks. For third, components. Fourth, tablets. Fifth, software. In these links, I want to select tablets. How to do that? Yeah, let me show you this example. Before I haven't shown you, right? Control C. CSS with the class means tag name dot class name. What is the tag name here? UL dot class. Is it highlight? Is it matching the element?
No, no.
Why?
So no elements are found. So
Because
using that the tag.
no, see, for the class name, in the class value, there is a space between the words.
Yes, yes. We need to
Just remove that
specify
space,
with dot.
replace that space with a dot.
Dot.
Is
Yeah.
it matching now?
Yeah.
This is what CSS. Simple. Then next, let me show you with XPath. /UL square bracket attribute name. Attribute name is a class. Class equal to attribute value. Okay, then square bracket close. /li. See, now it is matching one of 8 elements. Now I want 1, 2, 3, fourth element. Fourth li. See, now it is matching only one of one element. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is see. See, what is the difference between single slash and double forward slash? Single slash represents the immediate child nodes or tags, while double slash represents any nodes. See, that means, see, in this application, I'm using single slash because for UL tag, LI tag is immediate tag. There is no other tags in between UL and LI. That means, in which case we will go with single slash and double forward slash means if you want to use, if you are using immediate child element, then you should use single slash, single forward slash. See, for example, UL is there, then LI, then A. Now I'm using UL/A. In between UL and A, there is an LI tag. In this case, I'm not going to use this LI. Then you can directly use UL /A. /A. See, is it matching or not? But it is matching multiple elements. That means when I have used a single slash, if I am using immediate child element, I am using single slash. If I am skipping any tags in between, the parent tag and the child tag, if I am skipping any tags, then I can use directly double forward slash. Clear in which case we will use single slash and double forward slash?
Yeah.
See, single slash represents immediate child nodes or tags, while double slash represents any nodes. For example, slash div slash input represents immediate input nodes inside div tag. Double forward slash input represents any input node inside any div node. See, absolute XPath uses a single slash, while relative XPath can use both single and double forward slash. Now, what is the difference between CSS and XPath? XPath enables bidirectional flow. That meaning is the traversal may go both ways. See, you can write the object identification for any element from child to parent or parent to child. You can write in both ways by using XPath. That is what it is saying. But it is bidirectional is not possible in CSS. See, CSS enables only one directional flow. So traversal works only from parent to child. Coming to speed, CSS is very faster in terms of speed, but XPath is slower because XPath can work from parent to child and child to parent. But CSS, it will work only in one direction. Because of that reason, it is speed. In terms of speed, it is high performance. See, if duplicate tags are present in our navigation from start tag to end tag, what is the XPath? See, double forward slash, what is the start tag? Square bracket at the rate attribute name is equal to attribute value. Then tag them. You need to pass the index. Just now, just before, we have practically done that. As there are multiple LIs inside UL tag, we have used LI based on the index. Right? Tag name, then we have passed index, then tag name, then target tag. Then next. See, this is how we have used. See, these are another attributes. See, if your element starts with input, select, button, and image tags, then you can start by using this. Let me show you. See, here is the full name, right? Right click, spy on that. For this element also, I can write directly XPath. See, enter your full name. Just copy this. What is the tag name? Input tag. That means double forward slash input placeholder. Before attribute name, I need to use at the rate. At the rate, attribute name is equal to attribute value. Simple. Is it matching or not?
Yeah.
See, one of one, it is matching. Like same. Now I want to use same. But the difference is you need to append, you need to proceed with the double forward slash and at the rate symbol before attribute name. This is how we will write XPath. Then next. If I want to use two attributes, then how is it possible by using XPath means? Just write down input type control plus C. Double forward slash input at the rate type is equal to type value. Then after this use end keyword. Then append another attribute placeholder. Placeholder is equal to then placeholder name value control plus V. That's it. Is it matching or not?
Yeah, it is matching.
See, same. Coming to XPath, you need to use end keyword in between two attributes. But in CSS, you need to just use square brackets. No need to use end. You can use or also. That means it matches that means for any element, it can contain type is equal to password or Placeholder is equal to enter password. It can contain anyone, anything. Let me show you. See, we have practically used these two syntaxes also. Then next, see, if a tag is alone in the HTML, mm, see here type is equal to email. Copy that. Control C. Input type is equal to single quote email. See, is it matching or not? Same double forward slash tag name square bracket at the rate attribute name is equal to within single quote or double quote attribute value you need to write. Then next. Now, how can you identify dynamically changing elements using XPath? Previously, we have handled how to handle dynamically changing elements using CSS by the use of caret symbol, dollar symbol, contains. Now, how to handle those dynamically changing elements using XPath? See, we can handle using contains function. Starts with access XPaths. Using these XPath functions, we can handle these dynamically changing elements. See, what are the XPath functions? Contains method. You can use a text function. You can use a starts with, end, not, last. See, contains text starts with. These are most widely used XPath functions, and another one is following preceding. These are most widely used XPaths. See, first of all, identifying the links, static text, or header text using contains and text function. See, here is the syntax. h1 slash contain text function. Let me use this. There is no spaces. Let me use another application. Facebook login. Inspect. Oh, explore the things you love. It is different. See here, the text is create a Rediff mail account. Now, I'll use this. Double forward slash. Rediff mail account. The syntax is first double forward slash tag name. Here tag name is h2. Then I don't want to give entire text. That means I can give partially. So that I'll use contains. Contains text function. When you use contains, you should use comma. You should not use equal. Then single quote, control plus V. See, you need to close the brackets carefully. Is it matching or not? See, create a Rediff mail account. This is some little bit long text. So that I made a short. I have just used the important text, like important text. That is a Rediff mail account. See, I have used filtered using contains function. Partial text header I gave. Tag name contains text function is equal to Rediff mail account. If I don't use contains, if I use alone text function means I should give exact match text. See, let me explain you that as well. Text function delete equal to then create a Rediff mail account. Then you need to remove here bracket. Is it matching or not? See, when you use alone text function, this is the syntax. Double forward slash tag name text function is equal to, you need to give exact text of that element. Clear? If the text is little bit longer, then you want to make only short. Then you can use contains keyword parenthesis in place of equal to you need to use comma, then close here parenthesis. That's it. One element is matching. Clear how to work with the contains using xpath. Same.
Yeah.
See? See, you can use like this also. In place of tag name also, you can give directly star. It is also right thing. You can use directly star. Double for in place of tag name, you can give star also. It will work. Double forward slash star. See, that's what it is saying. See, identifying the links or static header text using text function. This is how tag double forward slash tag name text function is equal to exact text you need to provide. Then next, these are the examples. Identifying the elements with attributes using contains function. Yeah, let me show you that as well. See here, right click, inspect. See here, placeholder. Placeholder values enter your full name, but I will do the object identification based on full name. Control plus C. How to write the XPath? Same, first of all, double forward slash. You can use direct exact tag name or you can use star. Square bracket, at the rate, placeholder is equal to enter your full name. Is it matching or not? Now same thing I want to use how to use with X contains. Contains means before at the rate, just keep contains function. Then remove that equal to, keep comma, then enclose with like this. Is it matching or not? This is how you need to work with the contains with other attributes also. Let's see the example. See, tag name contains at the rate name is equal to name value. Tag name contains at the rate class equal to class value. Simple. Then next, starts with, how to work with starts with. If an element start text or attribute value is constant and its end part might be changing, then you can use this. Identifying the links or static text using starts with. See here, H1 starts with text function. Can you see? Here, see, here name. The starting part, login is static, but end part is dynamic. Now, I want to identify this enter Rediff mail edit box. based on this name. How to do that? Login, right? Name, login. Same, double forward slash. The tag is input. I don't want to use the tag name. I want to use star and starts hyphen with. What is the attribute name? Name. What is the attribute value? Login. Login. Is it identifying?
Yeah.
See, this is how. Same exactly with other locators also. Starts with, then attribute name.